Yes, students. First of all, I want to tell you about the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound structure. It has two membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and inner membrane is folded into a finger-like projections called crista. On crista, a knob-like structure is present that is known as oxysomes, in which ATPase enzyme are present, which help in the formation of ATP. And in the matrix of mitochondria, there is another circular DNA, and ribosomes are also present. 70S ribosomes are also present, due to which they can synthesize some of the required proteins, but not all. So it is the semi-autonomous cell organelle. Mitochondria is a semi-autonomous cell organelle. Now we come to the next, that is the plastid. Pigmented bodies present in the plant cell are called plastid. Plastid are large cell organelle found only in plant cell, which specialize to synthesize and store organic substances. Plastid are classified on the basis of pigment present in them. Two types, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplast, colorless plastid. Colorless plastid, because there is no colored pigment is present. They are of three types, amyloplast, alleroplast, and cleoplast. Amyloplast store the starch, alleroplast proteins, and eleoplast stores fats and lipids. And chromoplast are the colored plastid which contain green and other non-green pigments. Here I want to tell you the difference between leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplast are colorless plastid, cylindrical to round in shape, found in unexposed cell, take part in the storage of food, can change to other types. And chromoplast are brown or reddish in color or green, comes under the chloroplast, irregular in shape, in exposed and unexposed cell, do not store food, provide coloration of organs. As you know, chloroplasts are present in the leaves where the process of photosynthesis takes place. Chloroplasts are also known as kitchen of the cell, very well known. You know in the 8th class also, bounded by two membranes. Inside of the chloroplast is clearly marked a colorless matrix called the stroma and membrane system called grana. The structure of the chloroplast is small, rounded structures, coin-like structures are present, that is known as thylakoid, and group of that thylakoid is called granum. Each granum consists of a stack of membrane-bound flattened called thylakoids. Thylakoid pigments like chlorophyll, carotenoid, and phycobilins. Here I want to clear you the one thing, that in the process of photosynthesis, in the mechanism of photosynthesis, there are two types of the reaction takes place: light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction is the reaction in which the light is trapped by the chlorophyll. Light reaction takes place in the thylakoid. This is 1 marks question, you must know. Light reaction takes place in the thylakoid, and dark reaction where the synthesis of sucrose and after that glucose is formed and then stored in the form of starch takes place in the matrix. Dark reaction takes place in the matrix and light reaction takes place in the thylakoid. This you must remember. Stroma contain enzyme for dark reaction. Here also mentioned DNA, RNA, and ribosomes. Later make the chloroplast semi-autonomous cell organelle. One thing that chloroplast also contain DNA and ribosomes, so it is also a semi-autonomous cell organelle. It can synthesize some of the required proteins, but not all. It can synthesize some of the required proteins, but not all. Then the functions of the plastid or the function, chromoplast provide color to fruits and flowers. जो हम different color देखते हैं fruits और flower के, वो प्लास्टिड के कारण होते हैं, और उसके एक टाइप है क्रोमोप्लास्ट उसके कारण. ये भी आपने याद रखना है. और एक ये ध्यान रहे कि ग्रीन कलर जो लीव्स का होता है वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट के कारण होता है. ग्रीन कलर ऑफ द लीव्स इज ड्यू टू क्लोरोप्लास्ट. Fruits and flowers attract the insects to help in pollination and fruit dispersal. Leucoplasts take part in the storage of protein, starch, and oil. As I have tell you, amyloplast, alleroplast, and eleoplast. Amyloplast for starch, alleroplast for proteins, and eleoplast for oil and fats. Chloroplast traps solar energy to manufacture food through photosynthesis. Oxygen is being consumed in combustion and respiration. Carbon dioxide is being produced in the two processes, chloroplast maintain the balance of the two gases by absorbing carbon dioxide and oxygen in the photosynthesis. Ribosome, then another cell organelle, that is the ribosome, are the small rounded bodies found either in the free state or in combined in cytoplasm or attached to the surface of endoplasm. They are composed of ribonucleic acid and proteins. What is composition of ribosome? They are formed of ribonucleic acid and proteins. They are not bounded by membrane. They are membraneless cell organelle. They are present in both prokaryotes, that is 70S, and eukaryotes, that is 80S. Absent in mammalian RBC, ribosomes are site of protein synthesis in the cell. Vacuole storehouse of the cell. Membrane bound non-cytoplasmic cells that contain non-living solid liquid contents. They are of three types: sap vacuole, food vacuole, and contractile vacuole. Covering membrane of cell vacuole is called tonoplast. This is also very important. Covering membrane of sap vacuole is tonoplast. The fluid filled content of the vacuole is called cell shape or tonoplasm. Recently, digestive enzymes are reported in vacuole of plant cell. Vacuole storehouse, how they store the water, and contractile vacuole in amoeba like unicellular organism acts as a osmoregulation, help in maintaining ionic and cationic balance of the body. Then difference in plant cell and animal, you know very well. In plant cell, cell wall is present, plastid are present, centriole and centrosome are absent. Vacuoles large and less, nucleus lie on one side. Cell wall is rigid. Cell is rigid due to presence of the cell wall. Golgi apparatus contain dictyosomes which help in the cell wall formation. Plant cell is larger in size and starch is stored food. And in animal cell, cell wall is absent, no plastid are present. Centriole and centrosome are present which help in the cell division of the cell. Vacuole small and many. Nucleus lies in the center. Cell is flexible in the form of vesicle, smaller in size, and glycogen is the reserve food in the animal cell. Now you can see the structure of the animal cell and plant cell. You can make it very well in this plant cell and animal cell. Here the different cell organelles are mentioned from cytoskeleton, peroxisome, mitochondria, ribosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and plasma membrane. They have also shown the plasmodesmata. What are plasmodesmata? Interconnected between the cells. The pose for interconnection of the cells is known as plasmodesmata. Here they in animal cell they have shown the centriole which help in the initiation of the cell division. Now you can take another topic, that is the mitosis and meiosis. There are the two types of the cell division present in the plant cell and animal cell. One is the mitosis. In mitosis, it is called the equational cell division. This point you may note it. Mitosis is the equational cell division and meiosis is the reductional cell division. In mitosis, two cells are formed. It takes place in somatic cells, and in meiosis, there are 4 daughter cells are formed and chromosome number reduced to half. That is called the mitosis and meiosis. You may note down the difference in mitosis and meiosis also. You may note down the difference in the mitosis and meiosis.